Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem at hand. We got a situation where a code snippet utilizing the std uniform underscore random underscore bit underscore generator concept is failing to compile. The error messages from Clang and GCC highlight issues with the template and constraints not being satisfied due to the reference type problem and the static range requirements of the concept. It's puzzling because we're using built-in C++ random bit generators, such as minstant_rand, and facing compilation errors. Quite the conundrum, right? Now let's talk about the solution. The key to resolving this lies in how we handle the reference type of the PRNG parameter in the template. By using std, remove reference t to strip away the reference, we can satisfy the uniform random bit generator concept requirements and ensure that the template functions properly. So, by tweaking the template declaration to include the remove reference t transformation, we can get our code up and running smoothly. It's all about understanding the intricacies of C++ concepts and how they interact with template parameters. In summary, we've tackled a common issue in C++ programming related to concept requirements and template constraints. By adjusting the template declaration to account for reference types using std, remove reference t, we've overcome the compilation errors and set our code on the right path. Remember, mastering these nuances is all part of the fun in the world of programming. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Happy coding, folks!